The cowboy bowline is a different type of bowline where the running hand is near and outside this part of the bite. This is a regular bowline. As you can see, it's inside, instead this is outside. The difference is that this one works better in this kind of traction, instead this one works better like this. For making the cowboy bowline, we make an overhand loop here on the left. This is the running hand. The running hand comes inside the loop from under. Instead of going on this side of the standing part, we go on this side. We turn around and under the standing part and then back inside. As you can see, the running hand stays outside the bite and the knot is done.